question number 4. Question number 4 is further complicated, means it is given in the shape of hexagon. We have already seen the linear, like 12 town was there, it was divided in 4 zones. Again we have seen the triangular format. Now we are seeing the hexagon format, means how many ways we will able to make it. Okay, now just we'll try to read the question. This is, by the way, your previous year CAT paper. Then this you can say it is a good question, because we have to, all the routes are not free to travel. Only route wherever direction of arrow is there given, that direction only we will able to travel. Opposite of the direction we can't travel. Like B to C we can go, but C to B we can't come back. Similarly, B to D we can go, but D to B we cannot come back. Just we'll try to read. The figure below shows the network connecting A, B, C, D, E, F. The arrow indicate permissible direction of travel. Arrow indicate permissible direction of travel, means only that direction only permitted. Reverse direction you cannot come, like one way route. Then here all the routes are one way. Not a single route is two way. That is one kind of advantage, also one kind of disadvantage also. What is advantage? Number of counting will be limited. We will be able to count easily. What is disadvantage? We have to count individually, no alternative. If it is both of the route, both sides it is open, then we can apply some pattern and we will able to get the total number of route easily, but we will no need to count individually. But if it is allowed only one way, then we can't apply any particular pattern, because every stations or every city having different incoming route or different type of outgoing route, means it is not equal for all the cities. Like C, 2 is incoming, 2 is outgoing. Just for E, 3 is incoming, 1 is outgoing. We can't apply any pattern. We can't apply any pattern. Towns city B, 4 is outgoing, only 1 is coming. Incoming is only 1, outgoing is 4. Simple meaning is, we cannot apply here any pattern. We have to count individually. How to count individually, that only we'll try to understand. Just I made this, if you are just choosing the route AB, first we are choosing means A to B. From A we have two options. Either we can take A to B or we can take A to D. Then just I divided these two options separately. If first we are just choosing option first, like A to B. Then after coming to B, what are the options available? After reaching to the B, what are the options are available to reach finally F? What are the options? First thing is there B, first we have to go from B to C and C to F. One option, means one type of route. Another is from B we have to go to E, and from E we have to go to F. Or from B directly also route is given for the F. These are only option. Or if once you are going from B to E, then it will be via D also, direct also, via D also. These many counting we have to do. Just will apply little bit common sense or little bit fundamental theorem or fundamental principle of counting, then we'll get more idea. Like B to C, how many route we have? We have two route. One is this one, another is like this, and from here this. Means we have two route from B to C. Just will write 2. Now from C to F, again we have two route. C to F one route, another route like from C to F, again we have the two route. C to F, again two route. Now just will come to the next point. If B to C we are not going, B to E we are going, then B to E how many routes? Two route we have. Just will look which are the two routes. B to E two routes. E to F only one route. Only one route. This is route. Only one. Means it will be one. One route is there direct A to B, B to F. One is, this is one route. Okay. Now here these B to C two route, C to F two route, means these two we have to multiply, means 2 into 2, means all together will happen. Then only we will be able to reach F. We can't choose B to C two route or C to F two route, then we will not reach F. Both should happen together, means, or you can say both should happen, then only we will be able to reach. Means we have to reach B to C and C to F. Just try to understand. Just try to understand my way of expression. We have to reach B to C and C to F both. means we have to multiply 2 into 2, 4. Here 2 into 1, 2 itself. Here only one root is there, 1. Means total 7 root will be there. Once you are starting the root with AB. Now just suppose another option is there. If you are taking the root AD, if you are taking the root AD, then how many option you will get? Like once you reach the D, after D you have the two option. Either you will go to the C or you will go to the E, and from C again you have to go F, and again E you have to go F. Now first we'll go from D to C. D to C. Only one option we have. This option is not valid. This root is not valid because it is against the arrow is this direction. You have to move against. Means this you will not able to go. Only one root is there, D to C. Only one root, means from A to B you came, A to B and D to C. Only one root. C to F, again two root is there. We already seen. C to F, two root is there. Means this will be common here, 2. Now D to E, once you reached D, next is either you can go E, and from E only one, means only one root. Means here 2 into 1 will be multiplied, here 1 into 1 will multiply, total will be 3 root. Total how many roots? 7 plus 3, it will be 10 root. 7 if it is starting with AB, 3 if it is starting with AD. Now question may ask, the same question can be extended. Find the percentage of roots which are starting with AD. Then what we can say? It is 30%. It is 30% root. This is just I am telling extension of question. Just extension of question. How many roots are there, or what is the percentage of root which is starting with AD? The 30% are starting with AD and 70% are starting with